Self-destruct sequence activated.
Alright guys, next day. Today we are going to go ahead and put the Ender 5 Plus together. Now, as you kind of wonder, yesterday I did post a video about crypto, and he's fine right now. He's up moving around. He just has some digestive problems. Took him to the vet. He's fine. He's not going to suffer or anything, but he's fine right now. He's just taking it easy, and but today we are going to go ahead and start this right here. Now this is an Ender 5 Plus. This is the most biggest one I can ever afford right here. This right here will cost me about over 800, about 500 bucks. I got for a little bit cheaper than that because I had a coupon and about $20 off. Now if you want to get this yourself, I will leave the link down below, and they're not sponsoring me on this or nothing. So let's go ahead and build this right here, and we'll go ahead and get started. And Crypto wants to join in too. Okay, I'm kind of got the box down here a little bit because this thing is so big right now. I got one part here, which I'm going to go ahead and lay them out nice and gently right here. So I'm going to go ahead, and here is the bed right here, which I'm kind of glad that this is here. And then we got this all, and they also give me some filament, so that's pretty cool. So we got some filament, and we even got the filament holder, which is also partly together. That's nice. And so what we are going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and put this together, but I need to find a place to put this because this is way bigger than I thought, and I did not know it was going to be this big. So I'm going to go ahead, got caught. But this is why I want to have this right here, because this has a bigger built platform right here. I could do bigger projects, and I can do pretty much any kind of project that I can actually think of with this right here. So this is why I wanted to have this. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the box, and we're going to go ahead and put it right here, and we'll go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and get all this. Okay, I had to move it on the floor, and Crypto is right here. Now, before we actually begin with the build right here, Crypto is fine. He's all happy. Hello, sweetie. He just wants to be in here with his daddy and make sure that he's okay and all. But all right, bud. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go through every single part that we have. So let's go ahead and begin with that. So basically, I went through everything, make sure everything was alright, make sure everything was okay, and we are exactly fine right now. Now, here is the bottom of the base of it. Now, this is why I wanted to have something like this. Now, the reason why this right here, I know these right here are probably for the two sides right here. And Crypto, you're in the way, honey. I'm not going to edit that out. You're just too adorable. You are. You're too adorable, Crypto. So, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and assemble everything, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do a nice speed and have it all assembled. That way I can show you guys how everything is. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I pretty much got part of this almost assembled. Now, I kind of stopped building it right now because I just happened to take a look at this when I was putting it together, and I got no place to put this thing. I mean, this is great and all for like to make like masks and helmets and like shields if I want to do an Captain America shield in the future. But I mean, where in the sank on hell am I going to put this thing? I mean, I can always put it on top of here, and when I'm ready to print, or I can leave it here on the ground for that way it gets nice and cool. But I guess what I could do is think about where to put this after this video and see where it goes from there. So, I don't know if I'm going to have any music on this. Hopefully it can just speed up the time a little bit. But, I think what I'm going to do, I want to go ahead and cut the camera right now and finish assembling this off camera and show you guys the end result after this is all done. Okay guys, it's fully assembled. It's only thing I need to do now is just do the wiring. They give me some whitey tie right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and connect everything, make sure everything is connected. They give me a diagram and the instructions. Basically, it's connecting everything to where they need to go. So I think, let's see here. Alright, this one might take me a little bit, so when you guys see me again, it'll fully be done. Okay guys, it's been a little bit right now, but I finally got it full assembled right here, and all the wires are tied up right here, but I just happened to really thought, before I even use this thing, I gotta figure out another place to put this thing. It's not gonna work right here. I thought it would, but it's just too big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go out and find a bigger table to put this on. Maybe like a coffee table or something to put this on. That way it will have more of a nice stable surface. But I still got all the plastic on this right here. I'm not going to fire it up right now because I don't know where the voltage meter is. It says it's right here on the side, but I don't see it on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and include this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video on the new edition of the Cousins family right here. And yeah, so now I have a bigger one. I can actually 3D print bigger stuff like this right here and not have to wait a certain time for me to actually, like, I could print it out in big gulps, not like small ones. So I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button. Also turn on the notifications if you haven't already, and also take care of you guys, stay safe out there, and see you later.